You're on the train, walking the dog, or waiting in line when you need to solve a complex logic problem or draft a professional briefing. You open ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude on your phone, type a quick prompt, and within seconds, the AI has generated a complete, high-quality response. The actual generation is practically instantaneous. We have high-speed AI engines producing massive amounts of data, but that information is being squeezed through the restrictive, low-speed interface of a mobile phone screen. Our mobile devices are capable of complex processing, but they are poorly designed for data management. Because of this, our best work often ends up trapped inside closed chat threads. To get the information out, we usually resort to flawed workarounds. The first is taking a long sequence of screenshots as we scroll down the chat history. This clutters your camera roll with hundreds of images. It slices continuous text into fragmented pieces, making the information impossible to search or edit. The alternative is attempting to manually highlight, copy, and paste large blocks of text using only your thumb on a tiny touchscreen. Even if you successfully copy the text, the structural formatting is flummoxed. You are forced to wait until you are at a desktop computer to manually rebuild the document from scratch. This manual extraction turns a split-second task into a significant time sink. This friction prevents us from using mobile AI for serious professional work. Fixing this requires a transition away from manual capture. Instead, the process needs to be handled via automated extraction. This is why Docwish was developed. It is a dedicated tool built to handle this specific extraction logic and bypass the mobile interface limitations. This diagram shows how it works. Rather than fighting to highlight text, you generate a public shared link from your AI app. That URL serves as a digital bridge, pulling data directly from the chatbot and moving it into a structured document. By using the link, you are creating a direct path for your data to exit the chat ecosystem and enter your files. The updated workflow is straightforward. You copy the shared link from your AI conversation and paste it into the Docwish interface. You immediately choose the necessary file type. You can export as a PDF, a Word document, or a Markdown file. You also control the layout. You can choose a clean Q&A style or a full conversation format. Once you tap Convert, the software engine performs the heavy formatting and parsing in the background. The result is a professional, ready-to-share document produced in seconds. You no longer need a desktop computer to achieve high-quality formatting. This extraction engine also works beyond AI chat logs. You can apply the same logic to standard web articles. By pasting a URL from a cluttered website into the app, you trigger a different type of processing. Docwish functions as a digital filter. As shown here, it identifies the primary text and strips away the ads, pop-ups, and interface clutter. The final output is a clean PDF that's easy to read. This eliminates the need for manual cleanup or desktop tools. This process effectively turns a noisy, ad-filled web page into a curated document focused entirely on the actual information. The real value of this system is best measured by the cumulative time saved over weeks and months of heavy AI usage. This comparison shows the difference in efficiency. A task that previously required 15 minutes of manual reformatting now takes 3 seconds on a mobile device. Reducing this eliminates cognitive resistance. If it's this fast, you are more likely to actually use your generated data. While the app produces a formatted document, the actual utility is the recovery of those lost 15-minute blocks of your day. This parsing process is completely private. It operates extremely fast and is currently free to use. Docwish bridges the gap between generating ideas with mobile AI and actually putting those ideas into a professional format for real-world use. You can stop struggling with screenshots and broken mobile formatting. Download Docwish on the Google Play Store today to change how you handle your mobile data. By fixing your digital workflow, you ensure that your most important AI-generated ideas are never lost to mobile friction.